Portable Ladies Shaver. Replacement twin foils and cutters for Conair Ladies Dual Foil Rechargeable Shaver with Pop-Up Trimmer, model LWD375R. Remove unwanted leg hair. Foils and cutters should be replaced every 6 months. Smooth sailing. Conair makes shavers, trimmers, and hair removal tools especially designed for women so you can go forth with confidence. Take one along on your travels and go as bare as you dare. Innovative grooming tools. From hair and beard clippers to trimmers, shavers, epilators and home haircut kits, Conair makes high-quality grooming tools for men and women. Personal care from Conair. Our personal care line includes high-quality skincare tools, lighted mirrors, haircut kits, beard and mustache trimmers plus ear, nose trimmers, ladies' shavers and oral care. Conair makes every personal care tool for your daily routine. Top reviews from the United States. These replacement heads are fantastic. I replace my heads on my shaver every 3 to 4 months. Since doing that, my razor is in much better shape and does a better job for me. This is an excellent product that I've now placed in my auto ship.